Hello everyone. Uh, Today I am going to explain you question number 15. Question number 15 is a square minus 5a plus 6i. We have to find this. If a is equal to 2, 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, 0. So first we have to find a square. So a square is equal to a dot a, that is equal to 2, 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, 0. Now we have to multiply both the matrices. So remember the rule: first row, first column, first row, second column, and so on. So first row, first column, 2 2s are 4, plus 0 into 2, 0, plus 1 into 1, 1. Then first row, second column, 2 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Then first row, third column, 2 into 1, 2, 0 into 3, 0, 1 into 0, 0. Then second row, first column, 2 2s are 4, plus 1 2s are 2, plus 3 1s are 3. Then 2 0 0, 1 1s are 1, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Then second row, third column, 2 into 1, 2, 1 3s are 3, plus 3 into 0, 0. Now third row, first column, 1 2s are 2, minus 1 plus 2, minus 2, 1 0, 0. Then third row, second column, 1 into 0, 0, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1, 0 into minus 1, 0. Then the last one is third row, third column, 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, plus 0 into 0, 0. So our answer is 4 plus 0 plus 1, that is 5. This is minus 1. This is equal to 2. 4 to 6, 6 3, 9. 1 minus 3, minus 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 minus 1 plus 0, it's minus 1. 1 minus 3, minus 2. So this is our a square. Now put this value in this equation. A square, that is 5 9 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 5, minus 2, minus 5 into 8, 2 2 1 0 1 minus 1 1 3 0, plus 6i. I means identity element, so that is equal to 6i 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Identity matrix, remember, whose diagonal is 1 and remaining elements are 0. Now solve this. It's 5 9 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 2 5, minus 2, minus, multiply 5, 5 2s are 10, 10, 5, 0, 5, minus 5, 5, 5 3s are 15, 0, plus 6i, 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. Now solve this. So it's 5 minus 10 plus 6. Then second, minus 1 0 0. Third one is 2 minus 5 0. Similarly, 9 minus 10 plus 0. Now second one, minus 2 minus 5 plus 6. Now 5 minus 15 plus 0. Now last one is 0 minus 5, 0. Minus 1 minus minus plus 5 plus 0. Now last one is minus 2 minus 0 plus 6. So our answer is 10, 5 minus 10 minus 5 plus 6, that is equal to 1. This is equal to minus 1. This one is minus 3. 9 minus 10 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 plus 6 minus 1. 5, 5, 10. Sorry, 5 minus 15 minus 10. Now minus 5, 4 or 4. So this is our answer. So similarly you can do the next part also. Now I am coming on question number 17. Question number 17, we have given an equation and we have to find the value of k. Given is a is equal to 3, 4, minus 2, minus 2. And I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Find k such that a square is equal to ka minus 2i. So first we have to find a square. So a square is equal to 3, 4, minus 2 into 3, 4, minus 2, minus 2. Now multiply both this matrix. First row, first column. 3 3s are 9 minus 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6 minus minus plus 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12 minus plus minus 2 4s are 8. Now this one minus 4 2s are 8 plus 2 2s are 4. So this is equal to 9 minus 8 1 minus 2 4 minus 2. So this is our a square. Now put this value in this one. 1 4 minus 2 minus 4 is equal to ka. It means k into a. 3 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2i. 1 0 0 1. Now solve this. 1 4 minus 2 minus 4. This is equal to 3k minus 2k, 4k minus 2k minus 2i, so it's 2 0 0 2. Now subtract this matrix, so it's 1 4 minus 2 minus 4. This is equal to 3k minus 2 minus 2k minus 0, 4k minus 0, it's minus 2k plus 2. Now compare these matrices. 1 is equal to 3k minus 2, minus 2 is equal to minus 2k minus 0, that is equal to minus 2. 4 is equal to 4k minus 4 is equal to minus 2k plus 2. Now we have to solve this equation and we have to find the value of k. So it's minus 2 going on the left side is 3 is equal to 3k. 3 3 cancel, it means k is equal to 1. Now next one, minus minus cancel, 2 2 cancel, it means k is equal to 1. From this 4 4 cancel, it means k is equal to 1. From this equation, if we solve this equation, we will get the same answer. So in all the situation we got the same answer. कोई भी वैल्यू इक्वेशन हम सॉल्व करें, सब में हमारा आंसर सेम आएगा. Now I'm coming our next question. Question number 17, that is important question, 18 for the exam. Question number 18, if A is equal to 0 minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2, 0, and I is the identity matrix of order 2, then we have to show I plus A is equal to I minus A into cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, and cos alpha. We have to solve left hand side and right hand side, and we have to show both the answer is same. Now first I am going to solve left hand side. Left hand side is I plus A. It means I is 1 0 0 1, identity matrix of 2 by 2, plus A is 0 minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2, and 0. So add this, so it's 1 minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2, and 1. So this is our left hand side. Now taking the right hand side. Right hand side is I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha. So putting the value I minus A, that is 1 0 0 1, A minus 0 minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2, and 0 into cos alpha minus sin alpha, sin alpha, and cos alpha. So first we have to solve this bracket. So it's 1 0 minus minus plus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2, and 1. And this one is cos alpha minus sin alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha. Now multiply these two by multiplying these two matrices. First row, first column, it's cos alpha plus 10 alpha by 2 sin alpha. Now first row, second column, minus sin alpha plus 10 alpha by 2 into cos alpha. Now second row, first column, 10 alpha by 2 cos alpha plus 1 into sin, sin alpha. Now second row, second column, minus 10 alpha by 2 plus minus minus 10 alpha by 2 sin alpha plus 1 into cos alpha, that is equal to cos alpha. Now I am going to solve this. Cos alpha plus 10 alpha is sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2 into sin alpha. Next one is minus sin alpha plus sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 cos alpha. Now next one is sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 into cos alpha plus sin alpha. And the last one is minus sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 into sin alpha plus cos alpha. Now take the LCM. 1, 1, 1, 1. So it's cos alpha by 2 plus it's sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Similarly, this one is minus sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. Sorry, it's only sin alpha. Plus sin alpha by 2 cos alpha upon cos alpha by 2. Now this one is sin alpha by 2 cos alpha sin alpha by 2 plus that's sin alpha into cos alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Now the last one is minus sin alpha by 2 sin alpha plus cos alpha by 2 into cos alpha upon cos alpha by 2. Now solve this. Now this one is the formula for cos alpha minus alpha by 2. Cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B, that is the formula for cos A minus B upon cos alpha by 2. Similarly, this one is the formula for minus sin alpha minus alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. This one is the formula for sin alpha minus alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. This one is formula for cos alpha minus alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Now solve this. So this one is cos alpha minus alpha by 2 is cos alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. This one is minus sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. This one is sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. And this one is cos alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. So this is equal to cos alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2, that is 1, minus sin upon cos, that is minus 10 alpha by 2. This is 10 alpha by 2 and this one is 1. So this is equal to our right hand side. So right hand side is equal to left hand side. So the remaining questions are the optional question. You can try yourself. So this exercise is complete. So I am coming on our next topic, that is transpose of a matrix. Page number 83, definition. If A is a matrix of order m by n, then the matrix obtained by interchanging the row and column of A is called the transpose of a matrix. अगर हम किसी भी मैट्रिक्स के रो को कॉलम में चेंज कर दे तो वो हमारा क्या होता है, दैट इज द ट्रांसपोज ओवर अ मैट्रिक्स. Suppose A is a matrix that is equal to 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, and we denote our transpose by A transpose, or we can write it AT. So it's called A transpose. We can write A dash or we can write AT. So this is called the transpose of a matrix. So in this case, मैंने कहा था अगर हम रो को कॉलम में चेंज कर दें तो दैट इज द ट्रांसपोज. सो फर्स्ट रो, आवर फर्स्ट कॉलम 3, 2, 1, second row our second column, that's 4, 5, 6. So this is the transpose of a matrix. So order of this matrix is 1, 2, 2 row, 1, 2, 3, 3 column, 2 by 3. Now order of this matrix is 1, 2, 3, 3 row and 1, 2, 2 column. So now come on the property of the matrices, a transpose of a matrix. Our first property is A transpose is equal to A transpose transpose. अगर हम एक ही मैट्रिक्स का दो बार ट्रांसपोज करें तो वो उस मैट्रिक्स के इक्वल आएगा. A is equal to A transpose का ट्रांसपोज. सपोज आई एम टेकिंग अ मैट्रिक्स 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then A transpose is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's A transpose transpose. That is equal to row into column. 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. So we again get the same matrix. So our first property is A is equal to A transpose and its transpose. Now second property is K A, that's transpose, that is equal to K into A transpose, where K is any constant. It means constant पे transpose नहीं होता, only on the matrix. Now our third property is A plus B plus or minus, we can take both, it's transpose, that is equal to A transpose plus or minus B transpose. And our last property is AB whole transpose, that is equal to B transpose A transpose. Reverse, उल्टा पीछे से. Similarly, if we have three matrices A, B, C transpose, then last से शुरू करेंगे. It's C transpose, B transpose, A transpose. जब भी हम ट्रांसपोज करेंगे लास्ट वाली मैट्रिक्स है B transpose, A transpose. In this case, C transpose, B transpose and A transpose. Now I'm coming on the exercise. Page number 88, exercise 3.3, question number 1. First part. A, suppose A is the matrix 5, 1 by 2 and minus 1. And we have to find its transpose. So A transpose, that is equal to first row into first column, second row into second column, third row in third column. So its transpose is 5, 1 by 2 and minus 1. Now the second part, 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Suppose I am denoting it by matrix A. Then A transpose is equal to first row, first column, 1 minus 1. Second row, second column, 2 and 3. So this is our transpose of this matrix. Now the third part is, suppose A is equal to minus 1, 5, 6, root 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, minus 1. So its transpose is equal to first row into first column, minus 1, 5, 6, second row, second column, root 3, 5, 6. Third row is our third column, that is 2, 3 and minus 1. So that's our question number 1. It means we can find a transpose of a matrix by changing its row in column. Now come at the second question. Second question is, A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1, 1, and B is equal to minus 4, 1, minus 5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. And we have to verify A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So first the left hand side A plus B. First we have to add two matrices. It means -1, -4, -5. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 5, -2. 5 plus 1, 6. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. -2 plus 1, -1. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. So this is our A plus B. Now it's transpose. A plus B transpose, that is equal to row change in column. -5, 3, -2, 6, 9, 9, -1, 4, 2. First row, first column, second row, second column, third row, third column. Now the right hand side, first we have to find A transpose, B transpose. So A transpose, that is equal to -1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, -2, 1, 1. And B transpose, that is equal to -4, 1, -5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. Now add these two. So if we add these two, then we can see the our left hand side. -1, -4, -5. 5 plus 1, 6. -2 plus 1, -1. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 7 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 3, 4. 3 minus 5, -2. 9 plus 0, 9. 1 plus 1, 2. So our left hand side is equal to our right hand side. Similarly, we can do the next part also. A minus B transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Now do the question number 3, 4 and 5 yourself. In the next class, we will do the next question.